being on country. Feel proud to be here walking where my grandfather was and just reconnecting with culture and land.
So we're out on Kondaparinga Station. We have been supporting and coordinating with the Djungan Rangers. The effort is to bring ranger groups together to lead and coordinate weed surveillance and control measures on high priority species within the region. A key focus is to bring Indigenous knowledge while also gathering aerial data for future management.
So we're currently doing a weed survey that's going to take over 2 years. And today we just run around the points where we want to focus on. We went out and picked our spots. Trudging through bush, absolutely loved it. We all got some stuff attached to us along the way, but that's a part of it. That's why we're here, to get our hands dirty, to make a difference on our country and for our people to feel safe on country as well.
A healthy country would look like one where the natural systems are functioning the way they should. You'd see strong native vegetation, good ground cover, and a diversity of species across the landscapes, from plants through to wildlife.
We can see that country is more healthier, because that enables animals to act differently and enables us to access areas too. So not only the waterways, but important things like sacred sites. If weeds makes it hard to get to our sacred places, then we cut our spirituality, with our connection to the land. It's very important that we keep that connection, and weeds, they restrict that, and I think it's best if we get rid of them, or try to anyway.
I'm learning as we go along, as well connecting back with my family from here. Yeah.
It feels purposeful, and it's also very special. It feels very special to connect with the rangers, to also see them really building capacity amongst themselves and getting out on country and really learning about country and what defines what healthy is on country.
I feel like it comes natural. I just can't wait to actually get in and start doing it. I can't wait to see the before and the after.
What we're doing with Gulf Savannah is going to be an absolute massive help.
If we continue with that support, we've got a direction, it gives us a bit of a plan, and we're going forward.